Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very concerning and very updating for you, because in this video I am sharing very easy and very stylish, trendy, best easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas specifically suitable for your summer dresses, summer shirts, summer shorts, summer kurtis, summer skirts, summer blended stuff, summer sleeveless tops. Friends, all of these patterns are very easy and simple, decent and elegant. They are easy to make, and at the same time they only require 2 to 3 hand embroidery stitches to make the whole pattern. You can also enhance the beauty to decorate them with the help of mirror work, beads, pearls and a slight touch of ribbon as well. So friends, I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns, because these patterns are extremely suitable for any sort of dressing pattern, that is Western style dressing sense or as well as Asian style dressing sense. All of these are highly appreciable and suitable, and I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns. Friends, you can use lawn, cotton or soft blended stuff for making these patterns. Mostly bullion knots, French knot, lazy daisy, satin stitch, fly stitch, buttonhole stitch, fishbone stitch have been used to make these patterns. All of these are very easy, funky, stylish, and every age group, girls, teenager, youngsters, baby girls, older ones can easily wear these and carry these, and they would look extremely amazing and eye-catching on them. So do try these patterns for grabbing a very new and latest collection and adding a very designer style touch to your summer dress wardrobe, to your everyday casual, formal office outwears. And not only this friends, you can also use these very beautifully designed neckline design ideas to design your Eid outfits along with a very stylish and trendy, sleek, jacquard, fancy, banarsi or silk dupatta could be paired up for your extremely occasional, beneficiary festival look. So thank you so much for watching. Do try these patterns for your summer dress designing, for your Eid outfit designing and much more. Stay tuned, stay concerned and connected. Meet you soon in a new video with a new content. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.